Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC coming to you from the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. Going to take up the Avanti 2, version 2. Going to do a speed run. Got a SMC 5300 in there. Got the FREEWING afterburner. They're working. All right. I brought that with it, but I'll be honest. I'm going to change it to one of my KM model ones because they're so much brighter. They look so much better to me, right? Hey, right, left, up, down, right, left. I'm gonna fly my mid-range, which are 80% over 30% expo, all the way around. Oh yeah, she got reverse thrust too. Doesn't really matter which way we take off because the wind is pretty much died now. I'm gonna turn around here. Kind of, sort of out of the east, so. All right, we're gonna take it up. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Here we go.
Gear up. Time
I'm gonna take it up right off the bat. Full speed. Take it up again.
Gear down.
All right.
Landing flaps.
Make sure all the stuff's down, and it is. Yeah, the FREEWING afterburners just aren't. They just aren't as bright. I changed mine.
Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps. Gear down.
See, halfway down going away is when you're actually lining up for your landing. This is final.
Braking. Brakes on.
You know what? Let's get turned around here. Check that speed. We're gonna go up one more time because I'm down to 2 minutes. We might go up twice. Let's check the speed real quick. With this performance analyzer, you want the plane right next to you before you check the speed. Stop, read. 121 mile an hour. 121, not bad at all. All right.
Braking.
All right, we're reading.
Brakes on.
Let's take it out here to our grass. And let's do a grass takeoff and a grass landing. A lot of guys like that because they have grass strips. But you're definitely wanting to use your takeoff flaps to get up out. You want to mitigate as little damage as you can for that gear. So get up out of there.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Nope. Just couldn't do it. No, grass is just too thick. All right.
Flaps up.
So, we're not going to do it. It's just too much and I don't want to damage it. So, got to remember, I'm flying Free wing planes, I'm flying through my wallet. All right. Flip it. All right, get her straight and level. That should give me my speed run. Now that's a performance run there because I got it straight and level, not in the dive. All right, let's take her up. We're gonna go kind of slow now.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Bring by here, make sure, show me the belly. Make sure all my stuff's down, and it is.
Time remaining.
Couldn't land, couldn't take off in the grass, so I'm not gonna land in the grass. If the grass had been cut more recently, I probably could have gotten away with it. And we take off again.
Gear up. Gear down. Landing flaps.
All right. Coming in for final.
20 seconds. Braking.
All right.
Flaps up. Brakes off.
I got an SMC pack, so I'm going to push one more.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Landing flaps. 2, 1. Time expired.
Got no kind of stabilization, just a natural stable airframe. Turn too soon. Just an amazing flying jet. Amazing jet. One of our club members has this exact jet, and he had a very unfortunate accident the other day with his. I didn't read into what happened, I wasn't there, but my heart goes out to him because I know how much I love this jet, and I'd hate to lose mine. I don't know if it's total loss, but it didn't look good. All right, not as fast this time, 114 mile an hour, 114, but not bad at all. I mean, like I said, the fastest I've ever had her was with a 5,000, actually not an SMC pack, but a heavier 5,000, and I had her up high. That was in a dive. I got her up to 128. So let's check and see how much juice is in the tank. But 120 mile an hour, because that last test was what, 121, and that was in a level flight. So 121 level, you might get her up to 130 in a hard dive, you know, but not bad at all. Not bad at all. Boy, if you know, I repeat myself 500 times. My wife's like, tell me about it. All right, good thing we stopped. 12% left, 12. And that is 3 6s and 3 6s and 3 7s down the board. So not bad. You don't want to ever get below 3.4. 3.4 and below, and you pretty much now have a paperweight for instead of a battery. All right, folks. Well, there you go. To show you where I have the battery, basically in the middle of the tray. Here is the 7-channel Luminar X 7-channel, and I've got the dual antennas. I got one antenna going down, one going the other way for 90 degrees. I got a satellite right there. She's got retract, she's got lights, she's got attitude. My little gear door popped out, but they just pop in. I mean, they're just by pressure. I can actually fix that while I'm standing here. But there you go, folks. That's the Avanti version 2. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends. and then jets. Bye-bye.